Hi again, in a video tutorial for a Bezier. In this tutorial I will show differences between the fast mode and quick generation, and then saving the document, and what happened when you try to load the details into a program. Okay, let's generate first some quick details. Let's go for some nice picture. Oh, that Mickey Mouse looking nice. Okay, we have a Mickey Mouse. We want to generate for a Wirecutter. Quickly click edge detection. We see it generate pretty well. Compute, everything looking well. There is a little bit of defects, but everything else is pretty well on that one. Okay, click edit, fast mode. We have a fast mode. Okay, we can just of course edit it and place it wherever we want on the material. But for example, that's fine for me. I want to cut that exactly in the middle of the big 400 by the 400 piece of material. And now calculate the wire path, and that's taking pretty quick. All right, and now we have the opportunity to save the G-code or send it directly to the controller of the machine, and that will be done. Okay, of course we can simulate it and see how the wire will go. That's it. Of course we can save the detail at this moment, and let's say, oh, Mickey. When we go to a new and we load that project now, the project is empty. For example, I just create something much bigger just to show that's really the project which was saved. Okay, and now I will just load some Mickey. Okay, I mean it loaded correctly. Is in the same material size as we created. But now, when we go to the edit, it's okay. But when we create a cam, it will take some time to regenerate that detail. Why that happened? Because when we use the fast mode, it already created all the matrix of the lines in the program, and it knows where is the start end of the lines. When we save the document, it's only the lines itself. The program didn't know that lines is connected or not. That means it needs to recalculate all that from the scratch and create a new lines. It needs to know that line is open in some place or closed, or there is some defect. And for example, now the program showing us a little points here. They are just pink points showing us there is some defect. And we can just fix that very quickly by just selecting that lines which are rogue and just deleting them. Okay, the point just stay, but everything else it's okay. Let's select some lines, see what happened here. Let's drag that line then. Oh, there is a rogue line. Just overlap the other line. I will delete that and I can just move it back to a position where it was. Okay. Okay. Let's see now. Because we just deleted something, some lines on the project, it needs to be recalculated again. Because if we just, for example, open the line here, it needs to know that line is not longer a loop, and it cannot be just draw just one line in one way. Oh, there is another little defect here. Clearly visible. I just must miss that. Okay, and there was another here. Oh yes. Okay. Before, in a fast mode, when we just generate that and save the G-code, algorithm didn't look on that little defects. This one, which are regenerating the matrix again, it looking on all lines and everything is rogue, like this open lines, what was there, it will be shown as mistakes. And at this moment, we have a Mickey Mouse. We can just calculate the wire. And that's it. Of course, we might just want to change some position of the bridges. Okay, for example, I want to add the bridge just exactly in the middle of the nose. Oh, like that. And maybe here the next bridge, I want to add it here. Come on. Oh yes. And the bridge here. Good. And now I can recalculate the wire path. Okay. It's looking pretty well. Of course, we can save in a G-code again. That's the purpose of saving the file. If you want to edit it later or have some kind of the library of the picture to regenerate the G-code, of course, you can save of that details as a G-code, or you can just save it as a program file and then re-edit it again. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have fun using it.